Hello, this is Nitin Dahad with EE Times. I'm talking today to Larry Geng, who's the co-founder and executive president of ThunderSoft. Larry, hello, how are you?
Very good. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Well, thank you for inviting us. Just tell us a little bit about ThunderSoft before we go into some of the exciting things you're doing.
Okay. Yeah, for ThunderSoft, we are the mobile OS expert and AIOS experts. We majorly help the OEM develop their own smart device, and especially for the operating system technology and algorithm and the software stack.
Oh, very good. And you've been advocating the concept of an AI native operating system, like the one we have behind us. From a technical standpoint, what differentiates the AIOS from traditional Android or Linux-based systems, and what industry bottlenecks is it designed to solve?
Yeah, I think there's two kinds of computer. There's traditional general purpose computer, which is CPU centric. There's also AI computer, which is GPU or NPU centric. So Android Linux run on the general purpose computer, and the AIOS run on top of the AI computer. So for AIOS, we treat the large language model or multimodal model as the OS kernel. And on top of this kernel, we implement the agent framework. And on top of this framework, we implement many agents on top of that. So totally, this is a very new, OS, very different from Android and Linux. And currently most system, when they design the system, there's no AI, in the mind. So through deploy this AI computer and AIOS into the existing system, we can quickly bring the new AI technology and experience into the existing system.
And is that better compared to the Android and Linux-based systems? Is that getting faster to market? Is that right?
Yeah.
And are there any other industry bottlenecks it's designed to solve, or is that the main one, just time to market?
Yeah, the key thing is that bring the AI capability into the existing system, and also to help OEM to develop their own AI device much faster.
Got it, got it. Now, in the automotive sector, your new Aquadrive OS 2.0 Pre is getting a lot of attention, and I think you told me before we talked that you've got a lot of interest.
Yeah.
What practical value does it bring to software-defined vehicles and the deployment of large on-device AI models?
Yeah. Previously, then we talk a lot about software-defined vehicle. Now the new trend is AI-defined vehicle. So OEM facing the challenge, that's how to develop like AI cockpit, very fast and make the system go to mass production. So for this and the Aquadrive OS, already we redesigned and built in the AIOS into it, and also we implement the fusion between the AIOS and the traditional IVI functionality. We make this Aquadrive OS total become a solid foundation to implement a totally new AI cockpit.
That sounds very interesting. And then beyond automotive, the ThunderSoft is presenting AI glass, AI robots, smart home appliances, and other AIoT devices to CES. I've seen some of them here, and they were quite impressive. Do they all share, all these products, do they share the unified AIOS technical foundation? And how does that enable cross-device intelligence?
All kinds of devices do share a unified AIOS architecture, but for the different device, they do need a different model and also need different agents. Yeah, and also I think across a different device, from consumer point of view, it can share the same, the cloud AI system. So through this one cloud AI system, it can share the memory and share the consumer preference and data, so that to implement a cross-device experience.
Yeah, that's more efficient. Okay. And looking at the global market over the next 2 to 3 years, put your sort of visionary glasses on. Well, how do you expect AI native operating systems to reshape the smart device industry, and what role does ThunderSoft aim to play in this shift?
Yeah, we believe that in next 2 or 3 years, then the AIOS will be deployed in most smart device and bring the AI capability everywhere. And previously we positioning ThunderSoft as a smart OS expert. Now we're repositioning ourselves as AIOS experts. Our role and responsibility is to help OEM to deploy the AIOS and also to make a great agent ecosystem so that to totally bring the intelligence level into a totally new level and bring the AI experience to the consumer.
Well, Larry, thank you for those insights. Very fascinating. Good to see all the demos. Good luck with everything, and hope everything goes well.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.